just spotted a pattern. I don't think I've ever seen this with you.
Yeah.
Your source of your questions is coming from soapboxing,
Yeah.
as opposed to the source of your question being looking at the prospect and where their information isn't adding up. So instead of trying to think of, okay, this prospect has this issue, I know the solution. So I'm going to ask a question that's me projecting my intelligence and knowledge of the solution onto them. You have to realize that the prospect is the one that has all the answers. So you're asking questions to pull out of the prospect their information, as opposed to you asking questions to project into the prospect your information. So look at the difference if I do this. Same thing that you're asking, but you're asking it by putting your experience, your stuff with Tony, all of that into your questions. I'm not using anything that I already know or have experience with. I would say, so you said that you've been unsure if this is possible for you. Where was or where is that belief now when you booked in this call?
Hmm.
Notice that she has the information of the answer to that question. I don't need to put any metaphor, analogy, example, previous training to get that information out of her.
Now, that's interesting that you asked that question because if she doesn't think it's possible for her, then it's almost like she doesn't believe in us or herself to be able to be successful in the program. Like, why would she buy the program if she doesn't feel like it's possible for her? Why would
Well,
she be on a sales call if she doesn't think it's possible?
she wouldn't take action on the program, correct, but she also would have never been on the call if she didn't have some
Yeah, that
tipping
makes sense
point.
now. Now it makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay,
Does
yeah,
it make sense? The big thing, because the big lesson for you, Jeremy, is to realize that your questions are all just, I don't exist. I, as the closer, don't fucking exist. My questions are just to be a mirror, to be a vessel for you to pull out your own information and to get it out of you, Mr. or Mrs. Prospect, as opposed to I'm asking questions because I'm a coach.
yeah,
I'm not asking questions because I'm a coach. I'm asking questions because I'm just the sounding board for your own inner conscience.
yeah.
Okay. If you make that shift, Jeremy, it will be a weird one for you because you've done so many years of the coaching background through Tony, through your own stuff. But real leadership is realizing that you don't exist and you're just facilitating the prospect having their own conversation with themselves. That will be a game changer for you when you get through that. All right, so
Yeah.
keep going from there. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.